Yo, 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 what's going down, yo? It's your boy Raz, man. We back with another one on the way I see it. We about to jump into this little reaction video. Um, Deno crazy. I'm guessing featuring 450, and the name of the song is Thunda. I don't know. I've never heard of it, like any of this, so I'm just checking it out for the first time. I wanted to, maybe tap into some new stuff, bounce around a little bit, do some searching, see if it's anything new to pop up. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's see what's going on with him.
Hey, it's your boy Deno Crazy, your meteorologist here, and today it's gonna be very, very thundery. She make you roll like thunder, load like gunshot. Be a bit cock up in my Honda.
Crazy me now, miggle like hubcap. Press don't flat like tire when the punch her. Yeah, she love gunman, no give me no tough chat.
Wicked and mad, clutch back with a clutch back.
Alright, pussy this and a rum chat, yeah. Just fuck a girl and I'ma fuck that simple.
Wicked and mad as I'm started. Full speed up in her yard, ain't nobody enough for call me. She fully load like banger when they charge it. Mama bubble for the boss, no pause it.
The bumper the big could walk past it, come make a party, do anything for the artist. A rich nigga, yeah, ma make it rain after, so she want live.
She make it roll like thunder, load like gunshot. Be a bit cock up in her Honda.
Crazy me now, miggle like hubcap. Press don't flat like tire when the punch her.
All right. I didn't want to necessarily pause it, but this song is hard, man. These boys came out firing on him. Like, he said she make it, what'd he say, something like thunder? He's basically making that motherfucker rumble, boy. Hell yeah. This is, when I say the trap dancehall, this is what I think of typically. Like, it's like feel good, talking that shit, but like, you know what I'm saying? It's got some bounce to it. It's got something else to it. So this is what I'm talking about. Let's keep it pushing. I fuck with this one.
She love gunman, no give me no tough chat.
Wicked and mad, clutch back with a clutch back.
Alright, pussy this and a rum chat, yeah. Just fuck a girl and I'ma fuck that simple.
She a go up on a bunk and I make it play shake. Real bad girl, yeah, she wicked and brave. You fi bring it to safe, the man a joke babes. I'ma search up your phone, just put him in place.
Cause I know him a make your bills get paid. If a girl a give you a touch, she get a lick in her face. Me give you money if you do your body and nails. Funny gunman, I say you for brace.
She make it roll like thunder, load like gunshot. Be a bit cock up in her Honda.
Crazy me now, miggle like hubcap. Press don't flat like tire when the punch her. Yeah, she love gunman, no give me no tough chat.
Wicked and mad, clutch back with a clutch back.
Alright, pussy this and a rum chat, yeah. Just fuck a girl and I'ma fuck that simple.
Wicked and mad as I'm started. Full speed up in her yard, ain't nobody enough for call me. Mama bubble for the boss, no pause it.
The bumper the big could walk past it, come make a party, do anything for the artist.
She make it roll like thunder, load like gunshot. Be a bit cock up in her Honda.
Crazy me now, miggle like hubcap. Press don't flat like tire when the punch her. Yeah, she love gunman, no give me no tough chat.
Wicked and mad, clutch back with a clutch back.
Alright, pussy this and a rum chat, yeah. Just fuck a girl and I'ma fuck that.
Wicked and mad.
Okay.
If a girl a give you a touch, she get a face.
All right, that's what's up, man. Let's see. Make sure to finish it out. Yeah. DJ visuals. All right.
Hey!
Let's go ahead and pause that. And that was cool, man. He said he should make it roll like thunder. Yeah, man, that was cool. That was definitely like I said, that's more what I think of when I'm on the trap dancehall wave. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to hear some upbeat shit. Not that it's everybody make that type of music. You gonna go through different vibes and shit like that. But that was it. That was cool. I've never heard of Deno Crazy or 450, so I might have to look into them a little bit and see if they got some other shit that I fuck with. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that was cool. Oh shit, it's your boy Raz, man. That's the way I see it. We gonna catch y'all on the next one for sure.